So, welcome to Being Nerd. I am Prabhat Kumar Jena. We are going to start a whole brand new series of React where we are going to learn React from beginner to advanced level. And we will do some cool projects based on React and Redux. And we will do a pretty massive social media application. But before going to that, we have to first understand what is React and why we are using that. So React is a front-end framework slash library developed and sponsored by Facebook. If we go to their official site, you can see there is a definition, a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. So here is the term user interfaces. So first we have to understand this, what it exactly is. So if I go to a site, so it is a Make My Trip site. According to the definition, user interfaces are where user and computer interacts. So here I am a user. I am interacting with the Make My Trip website to book my flights. So it is a kind of interaction. So this website is known as a user interface. I hope you got. Hope you got it. So if I go back and in my definition, what I wrote is a framework slash library. But in this official website, it is mentioned library. In this React community, there is a debate: React is a framework or React is a library. To understand this, we will talk more about it in the last part of the video. Before that, we'll go to what or why React we use and why it is so popular. React helps us to make something called as component. Component are the small reusable pieces of a website that contains its own HTML, JS, and CSS. And these all components are reusable and reconfigurable. To understand it in a layman term, consider a website as a house. In our house, we have bathroom, we have bedroom, we have hall, we have kitchen. So this bathroom, this hall, consider as a separate component. So when we put all these components eh, in a one place, so our hall, our bathroom, everything, and our bedroom, everything in one place, it makes a complete home. So when we put all the separated pieces of component, it makes our whole website. There is a pictorial presentation of a website. So here, so in this diagram, there is a header section, there is a sidebar section, a blog section, a view list, and a footer section. And this all sections are can be put into a separate component, and that component can be put together to make it whole website. So we'll go back again to a website. Again, it is a Make My Trip website. So here it is a header section. We can put this header section in a component. We can put this trip booking section to a component. We we can put this offer section in a component, and we can put all together to make this whole website. I hope you got the point. So here is the big question. React is a library or React is a framework. To understand this, we have to first understand what is a library or what is a framework. So library is basically a collection of functions doing a specific task. If we need a specific task in our project, we call that function from the library and we get our output. For example, this is a npm known as UUID. This is a library. So what we are doing here, we are importing the library into our program and calling that function. And the only objective of this function is to give us a unique ID. So, so yes, here we are in charge. For example, when we need that in our file, we are calling that library. But in case of framework, so framework is under control. So framework is suggestive. In the framework documentation, there is a huge guidelines where to write the code, how to write the code in order to execute our functions or task. For example, in some APIs, if we are making some APIs in Symfony, they have their own structure. So we have to write our API logic in controller. We have to make the database connections in models, and in helpers we can write the helper functions. So it is the kind of suggestive, but in case of library it is not. When we require it, we call that library and does our task. So it is a basic difference between the library and between the framework. So what is React now? So from my side, React is lot more powerful, but when handling like server-side interaction (PWA), we need more than React, such as Redux, Webpack, etc. So for my side, React ecosystem is a framework. The React individually is a library. So using React ecosystem, we can build a pretty complex application that we can't imagine also. Yes, it is a bit, it is a light witty line, but here it is. So now it is a time of quick summary. So React is a front-end framework slash library developed and sponsored by Facebook. So it helps us to create something called as component, which is a small section of a website. When you put the whole component together, we can build a pretty massive website. So React is a library or framework. So React in standalone is a library, but React ecosystem can be considered as a framework. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'm really putting this whole series. So if you like the video, please put the like in this video down below and subscribe to my channel. I'm putting this series, whole series, so you can get notified. Thank you.